In St. Augustine, we installed the brand new precision mainsail we had waited months for. It didn't go well. With the slider cars too small and no battens, we no sooner got her all the way up when she broke free of the mast. So we called Precision Sails, took the sail back down, folded it up, and repackaged it to send off to warranty land. Precision shipped our sail to our friends at Bacon Sails and Marine Supplies in Annapolis to replace the sliders and supply the battens. Stevie brought it out to us, and it's time to try again. If you like our videos, please smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. It's free for you and really helps our channel.
All right, we're going to start with dropping the sail bag so that we can tie the sail in. But I definitely got to drop the sides of the bag. They tie in down here. So there's the main. Pretty much done.
So what are we doing today, Captain Dave?
We're going to attempt to reinstall our mainsail.
Okay.
So we sent it off to Precision Sails because the sliders were wrong and there was no battens. Now we have brand new battens from Bacon Sails, and Bacon Sails did a bunch of repair work on the sail, specifically replacing the sliders, and I don't know if they actually replaced or if they did any other repairs.
Okay.
So let's find out.
Let's find out.
What are the odds that it's facing the right way? Nil? Perhaps less?
And it's out. It's already.
Our friend Jeff comes out to help.
Okay, I'll take direction. You tell me what you want to do.
I was hoping it was going to be the other way around. What we did last time was we kind of bundled it in the middle, but we didn't drop the bag last time. We just bundled it in the middle and unwrapped it. I'm thinking that might have been easier, but once we slide it past here, then the lazy jack lines will kind of hold it. And there's the base. All right, I'll put seizing on that later. That fits better.
There you go.
That actually fits.
Does
The
it?
other one not so much, yeah. So now I've got to secure the halyard to it.
The sliders? You're talking about the sliders?
Yeah, look at that.
Oh, that's awesome.
Now, hopefully I'm putting this on the ring properly because this is a completely different headboard than the last one had. Hopefully this is the top.
I'm looking at it, and it doesn't seem like that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's going to go up this way. Tell you which one's which?
No, I figure the shortest one's going to be the one at the top. I don't know a lot, but I'm sure of that. Yeah. Good. This is definitely the right size slider. These are nicer sliders than the original had. Okay, haul back up a bit. Yeah. Do you want to get back there and hold it, or do you want me to feed it?
We got it.
Maybe we should have grabbed the McLube.
Well, so I think that
Yeah, we'll take that off.
I mean, it's pretty tight, and
Well, it might be tight to you. And this is the batten. So. All right.
By the way, thanks a lot, Jeff. That's awesome. You're awesome, dude.
Well, we've already got a name for this episode too. Everything's better with bacon. Is it in
Is
yet?
it in yet?
Well, the only reason why I say it is I'm at the end here.
You got none, no more to give.
I don't have any more to give. Is it in there though?
Great big air keel. Okay.
Pull it up or something.
Yeah.
Want it?
Let's see if I can. Of course.
There we go. She's stiff.
It's hard to get it down when it's stiff. What's that?
Your second week.
Probably gotta go up to those. You say the one at the mast seems to be loose?
Now it's got What's that? I mean, there was no setting before.
Every time I put it up, I run something wrong. And then when I fix it, I screw up something else.
And then the swearing begins.
No, the swearing starts before that. The swearing starts with, we should fly the fucking spin.
Thank you.
Welcome.